Video shows the technique of instrument tie knot. Instrument tie knot or surgical knot using instrument is a surgical technique for creating secure knots using a needle driver. What is the basic technique of instrument tie knot? It involves wrapping the suture material around the needle driver to create a secure knot, often a surgeon's knot for the first throw, and then using square knots for the subsequent throws. So first start with the long end, that is blue, and short end, which is red. Hold the blue end in your non-dominant hand and place your needle holders between the two ends. Then wrap the material once around the needle holders. If tying a square knot, then once around is correct. If tying a surgeon's knot, then wrap the material around twice. Open the needle holder and take hold of the short red end of the suture material. Grasp to the end, as this will make your life much easier. Pull the short end through the loop around the needle holders. Pull evenly with both hands to keep an even tension. When ligaturing, you will need to pull this tight and keep the tension on continuously after this. Place the needle holder between the ends of the suture material and wrap the material, which is blue needle end, once around them, like this. Grasp the short red end and draw it back through the loop around the needle holders. You must pull evenly or knot will be asymmetric. Keep the second throw parallel to the first and pull evenly. You can further tighten the knot by lifting both ends upward and then lowering them again. Do this smoothly and gently. Jerking at this stage will turn the knot into insecure hitches, which may slip. Add one extra throw for additional security. Finish by cutting the ends of your suture material. Cut both together so you don't pull tension on just one end. Use Mayo scissors specifically designed for this purpose, or use the blades on your needle holders if they have them. Now you can see the whole technique of instrument tie knot in this short video. Another video showing the technique of instrument tie knot has been demonstrated here. So you can see different videos on the instrument tie knot to learn it fully. You can see that this instrument tie knot involves wrapping the suture material around the needle driver to create secure knot for the first throw, and then using square knots for the subsequent throws. So in this whole video, I have explained the instrument tie knot. Subscribe on Obs and Gynae. Follow the Facebook page of on Obs and Gynae. And if there is any comment about this video or any other topic, you can write in the comment section. Also give suggestion about the topic of your choice. There are several other videos on the different types of knots as well on this channel. You can search them.